Recently, it's the raining season here, and we've had quite a lot of rain. But I actually love the rain season because the sky after rain is especially beautiful. This is my day 2 vlog. I'm a full-time mom of 2 little girls. Taking care of them is my full-time job. For the past 2 years, I've often wondered what I could do for myself. As a stay-at-home mom, it sometimes feels like there aren't many opinions. So I decided to start making vlogs and recording our daily life. We live in China. We are originally from Suzhou, but we chose to settle in Dali, Yunnan. We really love it here. I especially adore the bright blue sky and the huge, fluffy clouds. Every time they appear, I feel so peaceful inside. I can't help but go outside to admire them again and again. Plus, the cost of living here is the great. Vegetables and the fruits are very cheap. We can eat as much as we want, and there's not much heavy industry or tall buildings around. On rainy days like today, we stay indoors. My youngest woke up super early and become our little alarm clock, waking the whole house up after a simple breakfast and some quiet reading time. The girls jumped right into their favorite activity, clay modeling. Seeing my daughter created a little princess out of clay instantly took me back to my own childhood. I was completely obsessed with Snow White, her dark hair, beautiful gauze, and of course, those glass slippers. Ever since we started homeschooling, we've basically become a full-time study buddy. My days are filled with reading together, practicing writing, doing art projects, and of course, keeping everyone fit. It's busy and the days fly by so fast, but my heart feels so full. Yeah, exhausting sometimes, but it's incredibly rewarding.